Boost your credit score and get ready to buy your dream home with these tips. Number one, always pay all of your bills on time. Having a late payment can significantly impact your credit score. Number two, reduce your debt specifically on revolving credit cards, helping to keep in mind what's the balance that you pay it down to versus the overall limit. Keeping that ratio low makes a significant difference to help your credit score. Number three, check and correct any errors on your credit report. You got to regularly check the credit report to see if there might be inaccuracies or something reporting incorrect. Have those updated, potentially even dispute something. Number four, avoid opening any new credit accounts right before applying for a mortgage. Having too many inquiries can have an effect on your score. By following these tips, you can improve your credit score and be well prepared for the home buying process. Start today and move one step closer to that dream home.